Hey everybody, Ben here, coming at you with another video from Windsor, Ontario, Canada, about what to buy and sell in the local market, like Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, and such. Today we have a set of 8 folding chairs. I got these at a garage sale, but you can find these at thrift stores. May not be as cheap. Definitely get them at estate sales too. You can also find these on Facebook Marketplace and resell them on there. People sometimes want to get rid of them. But these I got at a garage sale. There's 8 chairs. I paid $15 for all 8, so $187.50 a piece. So $188 a piece. And when I inspect these things, you just kind of check the padding. There's no rips on any of these pads. That's excellent, and there's still a lot of padding, which is good. So that's one thing I inspect. And then you just see the overall wear, like the scratches, the scrapes, the bottom. Is there rust, you know? There's a little bit of rust on some of them. Just check their ability to open and fold, how well that is. If they're matching is key. You can't just get 4 random ones, or 8 random ones. And you want to get a set, you know, of like 4 or greater. You don't want like a set of 7. People want even number sets, like 4, 8, even like 6. Or, but if you had like 15, you know, a large amount, yeah, people don't care about that as much. But it's easier selling a set of 4 than it is selling a set of 3 or something like that. Yeah, you want to pay $1, $2, $3. If they're real nice and new, $4 or $5 a chair. And just dump them right on Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace for like $5 a chair. Even more, $5 to $8 a chair, I'd say. 5 to like $7.50 a chair. These ones. I got 8 of these. I think this will sell for $40. And I'd take 30, 35 for sure. I might listen for more, probably like $50 originally. See if I get it. They should move pretty well. Only sold a couple sets of chairs, but the demand was there. They were terrible chairs, way worse than these. Very old ones, and the last ones I sold, and they sold for $5 a chair. So a set of 4, so a set of 8. You know, this is expensive at Home Depot or wherever you're buying them. So it's a good local resale item. And I don't really care about the brand too much. They got like some good brand name I recognize. I don't really know folding chair brand names like Pasmo. I don't know. I think it just means the quality. Cause like Pasmo, but made in China. But these are still pretty good chairs. So I think it's just more of the quality of these chairs and if they're matching sets. And yeah, when I take a picture of these, see, I set it up like half and half. I take the first picture of all 8 of them, like this side set up like that as well, symmetrical. That'd be the first picture. And then like one of the last pictures would be them folded up, but I'd go to like the worst chair and like the best chair and just kind of take pictures. I'd take pictures of a backing, this, like these from the side, you know, so you get the picture of what they look like from all angles. Pictures of the backs, and then them folded up, and just any flaws, like if there's like bad rust on one or something like that, I'll take a picture of that. But these all pretty much look the same, like of quality of beaten up, so it's just great. There's no rips or tears in any of these, so maybe I'll get $60 for them. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna say at least $30. But we'll see. I think the larger the set, the lower the price per chair, but who knows. But yeah. That's about it for these. Make sure to like this video if it helped you, or if it didn't, just like it anyway. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this about what to buy and sell. Maybe make some money for yourself or something. Yeah, and leave a comment. Talk words to me. Ask me questions about stuff. Give me ideas, tips, whatever. Alright, this is Ben. Peace.